It's not too like ramen noodles, if that makes any sense.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're going with the crimps, the start to finish install, and of course a closure wig. You guys know these are just a nice cute little combination of my favorite things. We are working with Klaiyi hair today, and of course I'll show you the goodies that came in the box at the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to, like a little hack of how I get my crimps from start to finish done really quickly. You guys know crimps are one of those hairstyles that are just very tedious. You gotta hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. That's only one. Hold it. You gotta go through the whole head and not do too big of a section to make it come out super, you know, defined. I didn't use any product today because I wanted them to be nice and fluffy. I didn't want the like ramen noodle crimp. I wanted it, you know, nice and fluffy, and I think it came out amazing. I got it done in less than 15 minutes. Just for the crimps alone was maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing how we're gonna get this look and the vibe, also top is from Shein. Keep on watching.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily.
Show me the car when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break across real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me.
When I go with confidence, when I go the way roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up on night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me. You know shine bright like royalty.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away.
Okay, so we opted for crimps today and I love it. This was a little bit of a hack. You guys see me do the whole process and I pretty much just did like the top layer and really just like the very front. So it's kind of a finesse because in between here, like the bottom layer is not done, but because it has a wavy texture, it kind of blends. Also, I wanted this to be soft. I really wasn't here for like the crunchy crimps, which I will say, like when you use like a spray, like a holding spray to go ahead and help aid your crimping process, they will be a lot even more defined, and they definitely will last longer because it's just so soft. Just depending how I wear the wig tonight, I'm gonna take it off. But if I were to keep the wig on, I would have to be very careful and sleep really pretty in order for them to stay as defined without having to touch them up first thing in the morning. So I'm using this crimper from Ion. I'll definitely have it linked in the description box. Again, I did use a little bit of a heat protectant, not too much. I definitely could add a serum on top, but I really just wanted more so the soft, fluffy crimps. I just wanted the vibe, and you guys can see here I didn't go up to the root. I started about right here, but right now it looks a little bit harsh as far as like that demarcation, but don't worry, you guys know it's gonna drop very quick, especially if I add like a serum or a product. So I'm gonna leave it as is and just let it be fluffy, and that way when you do this little hack where you only like crimp the top layer, it gives a vibe but you still keep the fullness and it's not too like ramen noodles, if that makes any sense. So it's more so a low maintenance way to get the vibe without spending like an hour or two, you know, styling your hair. So this is a closure wig. We love a good closure wig install. It did fit flat on my head, but I do feel like it fits even better when you do bond it down. I did opt for the glueless adhesive from my line, and that one pairs perfectly with the melt belt. That way you don't have to go in and like blow dry if you want. I think I did for a couple seconds at the end because I really didn't give it time to dry per se. But as I did mention, this one did come from Klaiyi. This is the packaging as always. You guys are no stranger to this company, as neither am I. They also provided a dust bag if you don't want to keep the box. This is an easier, more like eco-friendly, space minimal way to store your bag, or you can keep the box and you can keep the bag. That way when you travel with the bag, you know, you got options. Inside of that was this little mesh bag, and you guys know the drill. You have lashes, which again are the good thick beautiful 3D mink ones. You have clips, I just dropped a pack of wig caps, but you guys know what wig caps looks like. And then you have this really nice, cute little scarf. And yeah, this is the wig. This is the vibe. Let me go ahead and make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, yeah, so you can get 25% off if you use the code MY25 at checkout. This one is a 4x4 closure lace wig. The texture is body wave, 20 inches, 150% density. And you guys can see it's only 150% density, but it just definitely looks super full. So you definitely get the best of both worlds of giving it full, and it's not giving like sparse or thin by any means, but it's not so heavy as we enter the warmer months. And of course, this wig is linked in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions about my crimper or any product or any tool I use in this video, all that is answered in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying your week, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.